Next up we have Kaleem Keane facing off against Spencer Livingstone. Kaleem fighting out of the Yin Yang Gym. Very good gym. Home to numerous champions. Very good fighters come out of this gym.
Yeah, 3 2-minute rounds of kickboxing here ahead. Really interesting bout set up.
It's a very nice weight class as well, because at this weight class all it takes is one shot and you're going to bed.
Exactly, exactly.
Spencer soaking up the moment.
Look at your hands! Look at your hands! Look at your hands!
Gurge getting the crowd hyped.
He's getting me hyped as well. I wasn't going to go to the after party, but if he's there rapping, I might just do that.
The party's wherever he goes.
Gurge is the party.
And to make his way to the red corner, Kaleem Keane!
Kaleem Keane facing off against Spencer Livingstone.
Yo, bring it on, bring it on! Bring it on, bring it on! Yo, make the noise for all your boys!
Yeah, really confident walk down here from Kaleem.
I've actually sparred Kaleem. He's very sharp, very technical. He knows what he's doing, does this chap.
Yeah, he's oozing with confidence and all. Very opposite approaches. Spencer looking rather nervous in the corner. Kaleem, pretty calm approach. See how that can transform into the fight.
3 rounds, 2 minutes each. In the blue corner, Spencer Livingstone. And in the red corner, representing Yin Yang Warriors, Kaleem Keane.
Kaleem's brought a crowd with him tonight.
Yeah, a lot of noise coming from his corner, and the crowd too. Both fighters facing off in the middle.
Kaleem staring into his soul.
It looks like it means business here.
Nice teep to the face there early from Kaleem.
Nice, Spencer coming out with some aggression though.
Good right hand there from Spencer. Not very hard, but still landed on the button.
Should do well with some of the nerves there. Big swing and a miss there though. Kaleem comes over the top with that one.
Nice teep there from Kaleem.
Little exchange there. Oh, landing flush to the body there from Keane. Referee's not having none of that.
Over and right, just glancing there.
Nice.
Oh, heavy body kick there from Kaleem.
That's the second one he's landed now.
Spin and a miss there from Kaleem.
Referee breaks that up. Clean shots only.
Big shots on JackHammer UK.
Nice, nice. Kaleem doing a good job working the body here. Got him in the corner right where he wants him now.
Good exchange there.
Spencer needs to get himself out of this here.
A good flurry. Oh! Nice bit of skill there from Kaleem.
Yeah.
Turning back kick.
Nice. Kaleem really aggressing here in this fight. Pushing him, he's got him where he wants him. He's got control of the ring.
Spencer's nose already gone.
Oh! Big shots.
Kaleem smiling at him,
Yeah.
seems unfazed.
He knows that landed good. Referee stopping that. Kaleem going straight back in there though. Nice shots, making him count. Surely helping him on the scorecard. Kaleem fouls the judge.
It'd be an easy night, to be fair, because
Yeah.
that was a definite first
Yeah,
round win.
it was domination. It was domination.
Kaleem 1-up.
Yeah, showing Yin Yang in a good light here, representing them
Yin
well.
Yang are a good gym.
Yeah,
I've seen a lot of them, and they are very well schooled.
yeah, a lot of good fighters growing from there,
They don't let anybody fight until they know they're ready as well, which is a good thing.
and that's what it's about. Your
A lot
coaches
of
need to
gyms will
care.
just throw people in the ring without them even, you know what I mean?
Yeah. No, it's good. It's good that the coaches care about the fighters and they put them
definitely,
put them
definitely.
first and want what's best for them.
Definitely, Paul Smooth and Sharon Sweeney, they know what they're doing.
See how
They're not
Spencer
daft.
Livingstone can bounce back from that first round.
Yeah, well, nice exchange there.
Must have heard us. Kaleem don't look too bothered though. Pushed him
No,
again.
He eats them for breakfast.
Yeah, he's commanding the ring as well, really well.
Oh, Spencer's
Nice.
nose is shot.
Yeah.
Nice back leg roundhouse from Spencer, but Kaleem gives him an overhand. Oh,
Nice. Little jab coming through with that too.
As Gurge says, anyone can go to sleep. Very good fight this.
Oh, nice.
Both fighters thrown with conviction.
Big shots from Keane.
Keane looking for the spin, but it's not there. Spencer's nose is spread across his face.
This is not comic relief, but Spencer's definitely leaving here with a free red nose.
Yeah, his nose is going around the corner.
Yeah, not a tasty one that for him.
No catching in this, boys. Full contact.
Nice, Spencer coming out. Oh, straight on the button.
Nice
Again,
uppercut there from
coming in.
Kaleem.
Kaleem really doing a good job of keeping him in the corner,
Spencer
keeping him
wears
where he
it well,
wants
though.
him, picking his shots off. The blood on Kaleem does belong to Spencer.
Oi!
Nice smiles from Kaleem. Pretty comfortable in this fight so far.
Yeah, he's looking composed still.
Definitely. Seems to be getting better of Spencer.
Spencer
and
putting
better
the
of
pressure
Spencer's
on, though.
nose.
But Kaleem seems unfazed.
Nice, more shots. They all help the scorecard.
A very good fight so far.
Yeah, missed
Swing
with the
and a
uppercut
miss.
there. Luckily for
Oh,
Keane.
heavy body kick there though from Kaleem.
He looks really relaxed in the ring, really calm approach.
Yeah, like I say, I've
confident.
sparred with Kaleem before and he is good.
Yeah, really organised
Say
fighter.
he's never fought before, very composed.
Well, I'm sure this isn't going to be the last time he competes judging that performance really well. Looked really solid. Unfortunately not the case with the nose of Spencer, but still he really got stuck in.
Who wants a sweetie? Who wants a sweetie?
I want a sweetie.
Who wants a sweetie? Who wants a sweetie?
Don't tempt me with a good time. I want a sweetie.
Who wants a sweetie? Who wants a sweetie?
A very good fight that.
Yo, they got the sweetie! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh! They came into the ring and was complete whitewash. This is round number 3.
Yeah, Spencer's really going to need something drastic
Keane
to
putting
change
the pressure
this.
on him now.
It's
Very
really
good
been a
exchange
dominant
there.
performance so far from Kaleem.
Moves back with his hands down. Not sure how good of an idea that is.
He looked really experienced to
Spencer's
say it's
still
his first
dangerous.
fight. Smiles again.
Oh! Smooth.
Starting to soften up that nose now. He won't have any
Oh
left by the
my
end
God.
of this. Oh! More
Got
big
one.
shots from Kaleem.
Excellent work there from Kaleem.
Really putting in that work.
Spencer's corner asking him to be first. Good advice.
But he needs to. Yeah, he needs to. Because Kaleem looks like he's in his element here.
Oh yeah, he's flowing right now.
Nice, swing and a miss with that uppercut though. He smiles. He knows what to follow if that landed.
His hands are down. Flowing. This might be the most technical fight. Oh,
Yeah,
and
definitely nice.
again.
Swept right across the nose.
Beautiful. Oh. This is artwork.
Yeah, really good. Low guard. Very confident.
This is beautiful work there from Kaleem.
Nice. It takes something really drastic to take this away from Kaleem.
Yeah, that was a leg kick, to be fair.
Nice slip out of the way. Float like a butterfly.
Kaleem just showing off right now.
And so he should. He's worked hard in his camp getting ready for this fight.
Oh yeah, definitely, definitely. Like I say, Yin Yang, a very reputable gym.
Yeah.
They wouldn't even let him in this situation if they know he wasn't ready.
And it's
And
clear
he is ready.
he's an example of hard work does pay
He
off.
is ready. Spencer's nose is also ready as well.
Yeah, ready for the doctors. Gordon Bennett. But well done to both fighters.
Gordon Bennett.
Brilliant performance from Keane. Should be really proud of himself. Spencer, though, brilliant. Take nothing away from him. He showed some great ability too. Just wasn't a match for Kaleem on the day. But I'm sure he's going to bounce back. But on to the next one for sure for Kaleem. What a great debut.
Brutality! Did anybody else get blood in their drink? Anybody else get blood in their drink? You can, I got it too. I got it too. Did you get blood in your drink? Anybody get blood in their drink? I'm sorry, I'll never use that. We got cocktails going on right now.
Yeah.
Brilliant fight that.
Pretty
Back
easy
and
one for the
forth.
judges, I would argue.
Toe to toe.
Everybody make some noise for these warriors.
Really solid performance from Kaleem again.
Wow.
He deserves all the praise.
And you're here.
I'm taking nothing away from Spencer.
Kickboxing belt is in the red corner. Kaleem.
Yeah, brilliant performance. Really good performance. I'm sure Spencer's going to be bouncing back from that one.
Oh yeah, Spencer's a good fighter.
There's no
Very good
losses,
fighter.
only lessons in this sport.
There's nothing negative to take away from
No,
that.
of course.